Well, hello, it is the evening. We are just hanging out.
Guys, there's a lot of snow coming down.
Yes, we're getting like a huge snowstorm right now. And it has been snowing for 20 minutes now. And I'll show you guys, there's a lot of snow out there right now. It's supposed to snow until like 2 a.m. So we're supposed to get a big snowstorm right now. They've been like flashing all kinds of warnings and stuff on the phone, just saying like a huge winter weather advisory and such like that. So the snow is coming. But look, I wanted to show you, and I tried to show you last time and it wasn't really quite what I was talking about. But I gave Kai a bath this morning and his hair is, look at that. It's like mohawk style. Mohawk style, huh? Asher's crying because Daddy just walked out. He's coming right back, buddy. Daddy went out to go hurry up and get us something to eat before the roads get bad. He's coming right back. And he didn't take Asher because he's like refusing naps lately, and it's already 5 o'clock, and if he gets in the car he'll fall right asleep, and we don't want that because then he won't go to bed tonight. So the kids are staying here with me so none of them fall asleep. But yeah, his hair, and I feel like the camera's not even doing it justice. Say, oh my goodness, what's wrong, buddy? You just miss Daddy. You're Daddy's boy. Say, look at this hair. Say, what are we supposed to do with it? It just sticks right up like that. What are we supposed to do? It's already coming down. Ooh. Can't really tell, but there's some big snowflakes out there. I don't know if you can tell. There it is. Huh. It just started like 20 minutes ago and it's not laying on the roads yet, but give it some time and it will. So this morning we have been cleaning our house. What did we do this morning? Did we clean and get laundry done?
No, I do this. And this is side and
so yeah, we've been just like getting, like, I had so much laundry I could not just like, last week I said to myself, like, with the new year, you know, it's like new year, new me, I'm gonna do this, I want to lose weight, so many things I want to do, but you turning the light off. So I've been like trying to like get ahead of everything and get the laundry done, but it's just like, I don't know, I'm just not in that groove yet. So we kind of just like cleaned the house with Christmas presents, found places for everything, and took down all our Christmas stuff, took down our tree, which was right there, and I caught up on all the laundry. I want to finish Kyler's room because his room is not yet done. He has so much. His room's a mess. Like his room, like I have all his decorations just sitting there and needing to be hung up, and yeah, I just got like a lot to do, so I kind of was like trying to like get ahead of things. I got all his newborn stuff packed away, which was really sad, and I feel like we're almost gonna be packing away our 3-month stuff because he's going through that pretty fast too. So let me turn the light on, off and on.
it's off and on.
Off and on. But yeah, Daddy went to go get us some pizza, and we're just gonna have like a chill night because we're probably gonna be snowed in, so that should be fun. I feel like since it's dark in here, you could like see his hair better, like get a better glimpse of what it looks like. Look at the hair, it just sticks straight up. So I almost forgot, I bought this at the store probably like a week before Christmas for Kyler. I thought, oh, that'd be really cute. We'll do like his footprint and we'll have like a little ornament to put on our Christmas tree, his first Christmas. It'll be a cute little thing, and I never did it. So I'm going to take it out, and I'm gonna do it today because better late than never, because if I don't do it now, then it's kind of pointless to do it next year. So this will be like when he has his tiny little feet. What do you want, buddy? You wanna say hi to the camera? Do you wanna do Kyler's little footprint in here? You can do it right here. Let's see if your foot fits. What fit? Oh no, he's way too big. It's way too big.
Hey.
You have to get, there should be paint in here, apparently.
I want cuddle.
Or is there no paint? Did I just not read that? That says includes green paint to create your body's paint. You want to paint or you want to color?
Cuddle.
Alright, so we are going to attempt to paint his foot. it comes with 2 pieces of paper. So we have 2 shots at this to get it perfect. But I got my paintbrush and we're gonna try painting his foot. And then we're going to, here's our piece of paper. We're gonna try and dab it and get it good. So, you ready? You ready? Let's see if we can do this. It's probably like something I should do with like help of my husband. But I'm just gonna do it real fast. Say, oh boy, let's see if you like this. There's a lot of paint, huh? I don't know what I'm doing. Does that look good? Alright, ready? 1, 2. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I'll do it like this. Oh, it's not bad. There you go. We'll try another one. Does it look good? These are the essentials you need when you're snowed in. Pizza, milk, and some orange juice. Is it good? Yeah. How's your pizza? I'm trying to eat it. Is it good? We also got some French fries and some spicy cheese balls too, which are really good. So.
Spicy cheese balls?
They're so good. You want to try one? They're like mozzarella cheeses, but have a little bit of a kick to them. You can dip them in ranch. They're good. No? Say hi. Hi, camera. You want to see yourself? See yourself? There he is. There he is. What are you doing?
It's my turn. Right here. I got free. Guys, he showed you. And
Is that what he was doing?
yeah, look that.
What is that face? Whoa.
That's scary. Guys, that's scary.
Is that a scary face? But not on him. He's just so cute though. It looks like you can like, he's balding. It looks like he's balding. So, we are going to play something. We got Candyland, Hi-Ho Cheerio. We got lots of games. Puzzles. Aubrey wants to play her cupcake party, but most of the pieces are missing.
Last time when I was in the middle one.
That was like our very first vlog. You were playing this. I know, you were so tiny. And we had all the pieces. You were 2 years old, huh? And then there's this game, which is really cute. It's like a match and find game. Daddy's gonna build a puzzle.
Now I turned 4 years old.
I know. It'll be 2 years in April that we started vlogging.
5.
Yeah, let's not talk about that.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before.
Look at the puzzle.
Look at this awesome dinosaur puzzle. You watching football? You watching football?
You don't want to watch football. There's a boy, baby. Kiss.
So much love. You were so loved, buddy, huh? You were so loved. Alright, so we are putting together this little track. It's called Create a Road. It's by this company right here, lidaztoy.com. But it's very similar. If you guys saw our video the other day, we had like that glow-in-the-dark tracks that the kids were playing with. And these are like the same exact tracks. They're like wavy tracks. But this is like the dinosaur world. And it has, it's really neat so far. Justin's building it right now. Asher's pretty excited. He got this for Christmas from his grandma. It comes with everything you see here. It comes with 2 dinosaurs. It comes with this little truck right here, and it already has his batteries are already in there, which is nice. And then it has little stickers, which is Aubrey's putting on. It's it has like this little gate, has like slopes, the hanging bridge, some trees. It also shows you like different things you can do with it, like different ways you can build it and such, which this is the one we're doing. But this one over here is pretty neat. Look at this one. You can do like rolling forward, and it'll just spin around and around. I'm gonna open the trees. Yeah, so Asher's pretty excited. We're gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. Justin's just getting the stickers on. All right, so I lied. That car does not have the battery already in it. You need to put it in. It's one AA battery.
So excited.
Alrighty.
Go.
Ooh, that's pretty neat. We're doing everything today. It is a little bit after 7, and I'm trying to, like, you know, continue organizing things, and I'm finding things that the kids got for Christmas from last year, like this color mess-free thing. It has like the hand is like the finger paint, and I just found that up in our closet. The kids got this for Christmas last year, and it still had like wrapping paper on it, so that's how I know. But yeah, so we're gonna do this now. We're doing all kinds of activities on this snowy day. So with this, I actually wasn't sure how this worked. I thought you put water in it and then you had to dip it, but these are actually like little gels, and they're like little clear gels. It's gonna be like a finger paint. So the kids have their special paper, and I guess, yeah, it's like a little gel. Do it just gently and go ahead and see if it turns color. Oh, there it goes. I see it turning red. Did you get any, Ash? What color did you get?
Orange.
Orange.
Can I make a
And then when you're done, you're supposed to like use this to wipe it off so you don't like mix the colors, apparently.
I don't want
Yeah.
purple.
Can you paint a pretty picture? You orange and purple. I don't even think there is a purple though. It looks purple though. Good job. This is so nice because like it's the mess free. So if they get it anywhere else, it's not gonna stain or anything. It'll just go on the special paper. I actually had like these things, which this is kind of scary. It's like a sharp blade. These things shoved back here as well in here, just where they couldn't really get to. And I'm just like, you know what? I have so much stuff that I found for this cupboard that I'm just gonna take everything out and just kind of like reorganize. But so yeah, I have like their paints, and then these are like those Orby things, just like crafts as well. And this is like all their markers, their crayons. There's like bubbles for outside. And then I started getting into this area whenever Aubrey came over and saw that finger paint and wanted to do it. And then it's just like crafts and things like that. And then just like things that, you know, I have really no place for, like these glow sticks. Coloring books. We have so many coloring books. The kids got like these mess-free marker sets for Christmas. And then these are like the wipe and clean, the alphabet traceables, and just like the workbooks and whatnot. And then back here, there's like a little princess puzzle and these things. We have so many of these things. Like, goodness, I think that's what majority of these are. The majority are in here. And like the funny thing is half of them are missing the magic marker that goes with it. So I'm like, you know what, as long as I stay on top of this and organize, maybe this will help us not lose everything. And then just some things that go like outside. Like, I'm gonna reorganize this a little bit, but like the balloons and things like that, and just outdoorsy things as well. We have these like water pens that these are the kids' absolute favorite. They got this from my mom for Christmas, Aubrey, and then Asher got this one. So this is our designated art area. I think it's gonna be nice. What do you think, buddy? Is it fun? Yeah, your finger's all sticky now. He doesn't like the stickiness, but yeah, it's so neat, the stuff that they have out now. Like, We just had coloring books and crayons when we were little. You guys have a variety of things to play with. We've moved on. You gonna trace the sea?
Look
I
at
think you
mine.
gotta hold it a little
I
closer.
traced mine.
Good job. These things are always fun to play with too. In case you guys learn how to write your name and Asher can start early. Good job, buddy. Hey Asher, look how Sissy's holding the pen or the marker. You see how she's holding it? Maybe you should hold it like that, a little bit lower. See, he's gonna do his B. Good job.
Mommy, look.
Oh wow, Obs, that's really good.
Mommy, look.
Do you know what letter that is?
E.
E.
A capital.
What letter is this, buddy?
This is a capital E, and that's a lowercase E.
What letter is that?
Hey guys,
It's a bug.
guys.
Yeah, B.
Guys, this is a capital B, and this is a lowercase b.
What is it?
A lowercase b.
Is it, what letter is it?
E. A lowercase b.
Yeah.
Now, bug.
Ooh, bug. Ooh, get away, bug.
That's way
Gross, get off my page, bug.
good.
Uh-oh, it's back. It's back. Asher, what letter is this?
B.
B. What letter is this? Do you know this letter?
C.
C. Good job. Alright, so here's my finished product. I have all like their coloring books and things like that here. The dry erase boards, necklaces, more crayons, all of the mess-free color markers, water pens and such back there. This is like a bunch of stamps and just random crayons that I have, and then I put this in here as well. So we'll see how long it stays organized like this for, but it looks good for now. Alright, so it is a little bit after 8, and look at all the snow, guys. Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. So there is actually, right there, I guess it's like a neighbor who's just plowing everybody's sidewalk with his little side-by-side. How nice of him. Daddy doesn't have to go out and shovel. He plowed our whole entire sidewalk, and he's like making his way up the road. Yeah. Very nice of him, huh?
Yeah. He's a good neighbor.
Alright, so we are getting ready to go to bed, and we're going to close the vlog. You guys want to say goodnight?
So thank you guys so much for watching our video. Subscribe to it and give us a subscribe to it in the box. Thumbs up. And if you have any snowstorms and click that subscribe button. Click that subscribe button. And click that subscribe button if you have any storms.
Any snowstorm.
Any snow. Yeah. One.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Subscribe to our channel. Give a big thumbs up. And if you do have any snowstorms and you want, click that subscribe button. And see you next video. Bye. Stand up, the comment, you, it's reindeer, and it's milk clock.